Hi Terry, Jose here at Jack Cooper again. Appreciate the compliments in the last video, and I know you requested video on the engine, tires, and then a box on the back. So I'll show you. Okay, hopefully this is good enough lighting for you. Did notice that we do have a new battery here. It is an INFINITI battery. It comes with an 84-month limited warranty for any defects, and then 24 months of fully replacement. That means anything that goes wrong in 24 months, it'll be replaced. And 84 months is only for defects. Now they did a good job of cleaning, the cover. I did notice, of course, there's a little bit of, dirt. Just because they don't actually use a power wash to try to clean the engine bay, which is good. Very clean. Nothing out of the ordinary. Belt working fine. No weird noises or anything. I apologize about the fingerprints on the hood, but you were asking about the tires. They are Dunlop tires. They're 265 still in the front. That is the model. And coming back to the rear, 265s in there too, so they're not staggered. Then look here. So inside the box you have your carpeted floor mats, and then you have this plastic cover. It just replaces that one right there, so if you have the cargo package or not. And that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions.